last class we have discussed about sign binary numbers, right? Sign binary numbers and the way we can represent sign binary numbers are the way we can represent sign binary numbers are basically the methods are three.
One complement, two complement.
First one was sign magnitude representation. Second one complement representation, and third one two's complement representation. Right? তিনটে কমপ্লিট হয়েছে
না, two complement
two's complement হয়নি। Now we have to study two's complement representation of sign binary numbers. Right? Two's complement means what? Two's complement means one's complement plus one, and again you have to follow the same rule. That is what? You have to identify the positive numbers, then represent this number in binary form with the help of 8 bits, right? Then perform the ones complement and then add one, right? So in this way you can represent the numbers in two's complement form. So let's see one example. Two's complement representation. So two's complement is nothing but one's complement plus one. That is the two's complement. Again in this two's complement form, if you are performing two's complement operation of a positive number, then the end result is negative, and vice versa, right? And vice versa. Now you have to write down the rules for converting a number to its two's complement equivalent. So let's write down step one. Step one is what we have? Binary equivalent of the number, right? So the rule or steps to convert numbers to its two's complement form is like this. Step one, you have to represent the number in binary form. Represent the number in binary form. Again, you have to represent the number, means the magnitude of the number with the help of 7 bits, right? Now step 2 কি হচ্ছে রে? Step 2, write the positive number in case you have a negative number and you are finding its two's complement, then also you have to write the positive number in 7 bits, that is the magnitude, right? Now step 3, find the, and here it will be 8 bit because magnitude plus sign, right? Now find the ones complement of that number, of the number that you have to represent here in step 2 and step 4. Step 4, add 1 with the ones complemented result. That is the process to convert a number from ones complement to two's complement. So let's see one example. -44 basis 10 because it is in decimal. So its two's complement will be what? Find out its two's complement form of the given number. So number is negative, but we have to consider the positive one. That's why first identify the magnitude part. So magnitude is 44. So 44, its binary equivalent is what? Let's find out. How do we work? With the help of 7 bits.
0 0 1 1
1 0
1 1
1 1 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Add 1 0 extra 0. এগুলো তো সেই লবগুলো নেই, লবগুলো লাগিয়ে দে তোমরা লাগিয়ে দে। So this is the binary representation of 44. Now use step 2, write the positive number, that means plus 44. So it is nothing but 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. Now perform the ones complement. So its ones complement will be what? 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Next final step, add 1. So it will give you 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. This is the final result.
So plus 44 to
কি বল
plus 44
প্লাস 44 টা কি?
একটা কি পাবো
That 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This bit is reserved for sign notation. Is sign. And 7 bits are reserved for magnitude. So by using or by consuming 7 bits, you can represent maximum 128. Right? 2 to the power 7, 128. So it can easily represented. Whatever. So this is the 2's complement representation of minus 44. Right? In this way, you can solve for 64. Its 2's complement. Let's find out. Its 2's complement. জলদি কর এরপরে আর জলদি কর 64. What you are getting for 64? Let's find out what you are getting for 64. Here the number itself positive, so don't need to rewrite the number that was for step 2, right? Simply represent the number in binary form along with the sign bit, that is the plus sign, that means 0, and then one's complement and add 1 with the one's complemented result. কত হয়েছে জলদি বল double 1 2's complement double 1 6 0. তাই তো all of you are getting double 1 6 0 as a end result after doing 2's complement. কত পেজিস what you are getting 1160 হ্যাঁ এটাই তো তাহলে এত কনফিউশন কেন রে okay fine now is there any doubt
সেটা তো 1 কমপ্লিমেন্ট করি না 1
না
1
2's complement
ওটা ওয়ান্স কমপ্লিমেন্ট ওটা ওয়ান্স কমপ্লিমেন্ট
that 64 means what 64 means
160
1 2 4 8 16 32 64 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 already 7 bits right and notation is plus, that's why 0. Now it's 1's complement 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 plus 1, that is what 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. Now here what, right? So that is the 2's complement result. হচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ,
0
হ্যাঁ, plus
আর
zero।
মাইনাস হলে 1
তো আগের বার তো
ওইটাই ভুল করেছি।
আগের বারে
করা হয়েছিল
আমি কোথায় 0
না মানে প্লাসটাকে না মাইনাস করে 0 করে দিতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ তাহলে তো হয়ে যাচ্ছে ঠিক আছে দেখো Okay, now coming to next topic, that is codes and their interconversion. Codes and their interconversion or conversion of codes. Codes and their conversion. That means from one code to another code. Right? So, what do you mean by code? 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 Code means what? Code means symbolic representation of any information. Right? That means one side it is encoded while you are transmitting, that time you are encoding. Encoding means what? You are changing the form of the actual information so that nobody can retrieve, nobody can read. That is the encoding, right? And at the receiver side, you are decoding. Means you are retrieving the actual information from the encrypted form. Like you encryption করছিস, then decryption. That's why encoding. That's why decoding. So codes are basically what? Representation of information in any form, but you cannot read easily because of security purpose. Clear? So how many codes are available? Any idea? The DeFi একদিন আসিস নি কেন? দুদিন তিন দিন? অনেকগুলোই আসিস। So how many types of codes are there or classification of codes if you classify them? কি বল? কি বল? Binary decimal hexadecimal octal. You are right. These are popular codes which are normally used, but except these all four codes which are under whited category, right? They all have some positional weight. That's why we call them whited codes. So you can find some codes which don't have such type of sequence, means 8 code to 1, 1 to 4, 8, but they are also used for certain converters, not for regular addition and subtraction operation. They are all numeric codes under alphanumeric category, or even they can be used for special purpose. For say 2 for 2 1 code, it is a whited code, but it does not follow the regular pattern. Like 1, then 2, then 4, then 8. So you can find different classification of codes under which you can find some specific codes. Right? For say XS3 code, for say gray code, right? For say BCD code. So they all have special purpose. So generally codes are classified as number 1, classification of code. Right? Number 1, whited codes. Whited codes. Hey, aste. Number 2, self complementary codes. Number 3, unit distance code. Unit distance code. Number 4, alphanumeric code. Hey, aste. Alphanumeric codes. And number 5, ciphering code. Number 6, error detecting and correcting code. So these are commonly used classification for codes. Right? So whited code means the popular codes that you already said. কি কি বললি বল? কি কি বললি ওয়াইটেড কোডের মধ্যে যেটা বললি চারটে কোড ডেসিমাল বাইনারি octal and hexadecimal. Except these four, you can also mention BCD, extended binary form of codes. BCD code is also whited code, right? And BCD code can also be written as BCD or 8421. So these are all under whited category. That means the positional weight has some value. Now self-complementary code. Self-complementary code means it does not follow the conventional way of representing numbers through decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal or BCD. That means it is access 3 code. Right? I will explain later. Now unit distance code. Unit distance code I will explain later. Unit distance code means self-complementary means what? Which says if you do one's complement of a number, then it will become like this. And if you reverse the operation or do the complement of that number, means again you are doing the same one's complement, it will reflect the original numbers. That's why it is self-complementary code, like access 3 code. I will tell you later. BCD is binary coded decimal. It is also a whited code. Binary coded decimal means what? Means normally decimal numbers are represented with the help of 4-bit, 5-bit, 6-bit, 7-bit or 8-bit depending on their size. Right? But in case of BCD representation of the same decimal numbers, it is different. How? For say, if you are representing 0 to 9, this range, right? 0 to 9, then you have to represent all these 0 to 9 with the help of 4 bits. And if you use 4 bits, that means they are all valid BCD numbers. But after 9, say 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 in this way, you can represent 10 with the help of 4 bits or even 5 bits or even 6 bits, right? But minimum 4 bit is required to represent 10, 1, 0, 1, 0. 10 as a unit number means what? We are not reading 10 as 1 and 0. We are reading as a whole. Similarly, for 11, how many digits required? 1. 11 means what? 1, 0, 1, 1. Similarly, for 13, 14, 15, 1, 1, 1, 1. But when you are dealing with BCD numbers, that means they are what? They are 4-bit representation of each numbers in this category 0 to 9. So while you are dealing with 10 in BCD, that time you have to read 10 as what? You have to represent 0 with the help of 4 bit and 1 with the help of 4 bit. Means what? Means 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. I am not writing these 3 0 because they are valueless, right? But your representation should be in this form. That means it is a BCD number or BCD representation of decimal number 10. হ্যাঁ সবগুলো আলাদা আলাদা কারণ কি কারণ এই 0 থেকে 9 এদের একটা ফরম্যাট আছে বিসিডিতে কি ফরম্যাট we have to represent them with the help of 4 then only it is count as valid number other than invalid. That's why 10 to 15 these all are invalid BCD because they all require 4-bit representation. But actually they are what? Combination of two numbers 1 0 1 1 1 2 1 3. That's why if you want to represent these numbers then you require 5 bits instead of 4 bits. Clear? That is the difference between normal decimal number binary coded decimal number. Now coming to next, that is the unit distance code. Unit distance code means what? Codes which are unit distance between two consecutive representations. For example, gray code. Gray code. Sometimes some books use gray spelling as Gray or sometimes Grey. Both are right. Like colors and color. US and UK English. COLOER is also right. COLOR is also right. If you write in your MS Word COLOER, then it shows red line. But when you change it COLOR, that means it is right. Similarly, gray GRAY and GREY both are right. Gray code is an example of unit distance code. Means what? Distance between two consecutive codes or bits are unique. That means you can maintain a pattern to represent your number either in decimal or the binary to its corresponding gray code to the gray code representation. Right? Similar alphanumeric codes. Alphanumeric code means what? Alphanumeric codes means what? Example, ASCII 2 or extended binary coded decimal. EBCDIC code. Right? Alphanumeric code means what? Alphanumeric code means what? Alphanumeric code means when you are giving input to any system, that time you are providing the input to keyboard. Right? In my first class I already told you, and keyboard has what? Combinations of information. Sometimes you can find 26 small case, 26 uppercase, A to Z 26 letter, which can be used in the form of uppercase, can be used in lowercase, 10 digits 0 to 9, 20 to 40, special character or special symbol. So as a whole you are providing input to the system. So each and every combination from A to Z capital, A to Z small, special character, special letter requires what? Its corresponding ASCII to representation, so that computer can understand the meaning. Right? Right? Computer के तो हमको बोझाते हो, কি বোঝাতে হবে? আমি যেটা দিচ্ছি সেটা একটা মিনিংফুল ইনফরমেশন, তাই তো? তাহলে সেই মিনিংফুল কখন হবে? যখন আমি রিপ্রেজেন্ট করব সেই ইনফরমেশনটাকে ASCII 2 তে। So ASCII 2 representation is 7-bit representation of the corresponding input, and EBCDIC code is 8-bit representation of that. EBCDIC is used by IBM mainframe computer system, and ASCII 2 generalized means every input ক্লাসের থেকে ওই দিকে বেশি মনোযোগ দিয়ে whatever. So this is all about alphanumeric code, means the normal information which we are used to the computer system or for the computer system is based on ASCII 2. That's why the keyboard is known as ASCII 2 keyboard. Right? Now these two codes are used for error detecting and correcting codes or correcting purposes. So one example, error detecting, parity, like even parity, odd parity, and correcting Hamming code, right? So these all about classification of codes. In your syllabus, there are some specific code mentioned Right? Have you seen it? দেখেছিস তো? Which codes are mentioned in your syllabus? দেখেছিস? BCD, SK2, grade and কি আছে?
বলবে
দেখেছিস তোরা?
না বলছি না
Which codes are mentioned in your syllabus? এখানে একবার কি কি আছে? Tak. I'll explain everything. No problem. Now one by one I will tell you. So first one is BCD code. First one is BCD code. I already told you BCD code. Now I will make the table. BCD code. BCD means binary coded decimal. They asked them binary coded decimal. That means it is a representation of decimal numbers 0 to 9 is the help of
করবি
4 bit. So can you make the table? Table of BCD code. There. Table of BCD code. It is important. Table of corresponding code is very very important because when you are going to convert them or say binary to BCD converter. Converter means what? Ultimately you are taking help of the circuit. Converter means the circuit that you are using. For one side there is input, another side you are getting out. So one side you are feeding the binary numbers of that corresponding decimal, and other side you are getting the BCD equivalent of that decimal. Right? Input and output, that means it's a closed system. Right? So table of BCD code means input is your decimal number or decimal digits. Now BCD means B3, B2, B1 and B3. 4-bit representation. That's why B0 to B3. Decimal numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 0 in BCD is what? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. In this way, 1, 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the table of BCD code, right? And it is